So our baby house structure is up, and we have a bar table here for their casual dining. Please ignore the ugly 2滴 water. It's my water, drinking water. Okay? So this is cute. Some of these bar stools belongs to outside. So this is our finished house design. Yay! Now we are only short of blinds. See my cute TV console is to mimic a famous sound system, designer sound system. So cute, right? Then this is our mystery sofa that is super chill. Something different. And there's the 雪滴子 lamp. That's very huge. So imagine, last time there's a Kung Fu show, right? The 雪滴子, that they will release this thing. It will spin, and then cut on the person's head, right? And twist, and the person will die because the head gonna twisted and cut off already and stay inside the 雪滴子. This is like the 雪滴子. Okay, I show another view. So it's cute lah. Once all the sofa is reviewed, once we put the poster and we put the plants, right? Ayo, it's going to be so cute. Then, of course, there's our very cute balcony cabinet. So cute, right? These are the missing handles that day I didn't manage to show y'all because not up yet. Super cute. Now you see why this orange is reddish, on its word reddish, but yet it's not red, it's orangey red, which is tricky because that is the color that I've been wanting to achieve. So in terms of laminate choice, I took a long time to find it, and finally let me find it already. So this is my most ideal laminate choice. And zip track is up. This is client's choice, but I think it's nice and sleek. This is their proper dining table. Bit cramped now because things are not removed and not adjusted yet. And these are the chairs. They are mint green, so very sweet. Yeah, so eventually there'll be bar chairs here. So bar chairs that you see here, the black ones belong to, the black ones belong here. The white ones belong to the balcony. So I'm loving everything that I see here. And this grass thingy, right? So I was suggesting to client to continue here on the two sides for completeness sake. So it turns out to be the right decision because it is more unified in the sense this space and this space, okay, more tight together. So this bar table is for their casual dining, like I mentioned, and then we'll put cute decorations here, accessories. So cute, like this whole thing. I cannot get over, and I cannot get over the fact that it's designed by me, yet I cannot get over the cuteness. I think I have a problem. Yeah. So, as mentioned that time, this is supposed to be teal green, not blue. I'm seeing green, but in the video we are seeing blue. So in the video, the blue is quite yucky lah. I'm looking at the correct color. And then this is our wallpaper, which again, on screen, right, you can't see the beauty of it. You have to be on site in order to tell. In video, you can't really see the texture until you come very close. But when you are on site in the room, right, the moment you come in, the whole feel is very nice already. Photo is always not justifying the look, I feel. So there's LED light anyway. Can you see? It's a ledge. There's LED strip inside. Okay. This is one of the features. We bought this plant thingy and we bought the lamp and we zeng until like this. I think it turned out very well, very pretty. It's very fresh looking, matches very well, and once my client's bed is in, right, it's also teal color, teal green. Then the whole thing will be chill until. Then finally, the two kids' rooms, cute candy store. And there should be stickers here, cute stickers. So, actually it's not a candy store, it's an ice cream store. And this will be where the bed is. So like I mentioned, basic bed care ready. Don't need to be fancy one, cause the fanciness are here. Okay? So cute lor. I will want to stay in this room if I'm a kid, a girly girl kid. And this is the brother's room. So this one will be more bowling theme, more masculine, because the brother don't want to be too cutesy. And this will be the bed, where the bed is. Cute, 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 cute. Vinyl floor is in. See the chill texture?